In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the size of an email in Gmail. It's a handy trick to know, especially if you're trying to keep your inbox tidy or optimize your storage space. So let's dive right in and explore how you can do this with just a few simple steps. Firstly, we'll start by opening Gmail in your preferred web browser. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself at your inbox, a familiar sight to Gmail users. Now, to get into checking the size of your emails, it's important to understand that Gmail doesn't display the size of emails directly in the interface. However, there's a simple workaround using the search bar at the top. Begin by heading over to the Gmail search bar. You'll want to enter a specific search filter to help you narrow down your emails by size. Type in size, followed by the size you are curious about. For instance, size 5000 will show emails that are approximately 5 megabytes and larger. Hit enter, and Gmail will generate a list of emails that meet your selected criteria. Now that you can see these larger emails, it's important to remember that attachments within emails contribute to the overall size, so consider files attached when assessing the size. In case you are looking for emails with specific attachments, type in has attachment in the search bar. Combining this with the size filter can give you a more refined list, like size 5000 has attachment, which showcases larger emails that also feature attachments. Another helpful tip is to utilize the advanced search options embedded within Gmail. By clicking on the drop-down arrow within the search bar, you can access numerous search parameters. Here, you can combine multiple criteria such as dates and specific senders, allowing you to customize your search even further. It's an excellent way to conduct a detailed cleanup if you're aiming at liberating some space. Lastly, take a moment to review the search results and decide which emails to keep or delete. Deleting large emails can help in managing your Gmail storage more effectively, optimizing your inbox to ensure it runs smoothly. Remember to check your trash folder occasionally and empty it to permanently remove these emails from your account. And there you have it, a comprehensive yet straightforward method to check and manage the size of emails in your Gmail account. It's a useful skill to tuck away in your digital toolbox for maintaining an organized and efficient email environment. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and how-tos. Until next time.